Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you guys a super simple dinner idea under 10 minutes. I will be making honey butter shrimp. So if you want to learn how I make my honey butter shrimp with a side of rice and vegetables, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's recipe, we will be using soy sauce, minced garlic, butter, honey, some ginger powder, and some chili flakes. The chili flakes are optional. That is all we need. And I'll put the measurements in the description box below. Alright guys, my camera died as I was in the middle of this, but I added the soy sauce into a bowl, honey, garlic, some ginger powder, and some chili flakes. The butter will be used for cooking the shrimp. Now, the chili flakes are optional if you don't like any spice, as well as the ginger powder. I just love the taste of honey and ginger together. So we're gonna mix it very well. And we're going to let the shrimp sit in it for about, you can leave the shrimp to marinate as low as 15 minutes and as high as 24 hours. Alrighty, so here I have my pound of shrimp. I'm going to get a freezer safe Ziploc bag. Pour my shrimp inside. They're peeled, deveined. You can leave the tail on or off. And we're going to use half the marinade. And then we're going to give it a quick toss. And then we're gonna set it in the refrigerator for, like I said, anywhere between 15 minutes to 24 hours. Now, since the shrimp do not take long to make, I'm going to get started on my rice, which takes exactly 15 minutes to make, and I'll link that video below. Super simple 15-minute rice. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're gonna melt our butter. Once we've melted the butter, we're going to add our shrimp. And we're going to cook them until they're pink on each side. So this will probably take about 5 to 8 minutes. Now that the shrimp are almost fully cooked, we're going to add the remainder of the marinade. And we're going to cook them just a little bit longer, about 2 more minutes. And then they're ready to serve. Now that our shrimp are done, I have my side of rice and vegetables. Put my shrimp on the side. We're going to take some of this juice and pour it right on top of the shrimp. Feel free to use the same juice and pour it on top of your vegetables as well. It's healthy and it smells so good. And there you guys have it, honey butter shrimp. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.